This is about health information governance in healthcare. It's about protecting health information for integrity. It is protected by policies and standards in health information integrity management, protected by privacy and confidentiality through health integrity standards and management of data. Health information governance is about integrity, providing confidentiality of the health information from the provider to the patient through healthcare standards. Patient access must be authorized by the patient for the purpose of accessing the record and giving out information. Governing practices are legal practices within state requirements that govern the record. Compliance are audit trails that get compliance standards in order for the protection of health integrity for the purpose of the best standards of all time. Compliance is about the information in the record that contains information that is protected by consents and audits. Information management is information management subject to legal and regulatory controls such as coding requirements, security access requirements, and transaction audits. Information management is documentation specialists who also enlist in the help of health information management managers to ensure the documentation is applicable to the standards of care that provide accountability from the physician and other departments within the facility. Information management is the best way to enhance quality of care through documentation management by establishing proper protocol within the organization through a documentation system. It is best to ensure that it is good with employees that understand the law in their state and understand the policies that govern their jurisdiction within the state.